Heard good things about it from Mark. Doesn't have a channel anymore, apparently. Too bad, he's missed. Virginia Sweet, 5 ounce. Oop. This feels more like a 7 ounce. I wonder if I wrote that down wrong. That's weird. Anyway, not pretty. Sucker for a good bicolor. Get this Bacterial Speck off. And again, yeah, Bacterial Speck. And it's just fine. Just peel the skin off. Really pretty. Look at that. So meaty. Wow. And at the end, with all that pretty red color. Let's get a Brix. Wow, that brush is a 4. That's weird. Bland. Got a hint of sour, a hint of acid, not much sweet. Huh. Might have tried this one again. I've heard great things about it. It's weird.